Okay, this is the last step, and for the convertible strap and the small backpack straps, we will be doing this the same way, except when instead of going through a swivel hook, you go through this D-ring at the bottom. So we start by going through a 1-inch, let's see, decide which is the top of your strap. And then we'll be going through the 1-inch D-ring. And then down through a swivel hook, or if you're doing the backpack, you'll be going down and up through your D-ring here. So I'm going through the swivel hook. Now I'm going to go back up. Here, I'm going to loosen this. I'm going to go back up through my strap, or sorry, through the slider, and then down through the slider right there. I went down about 1.5 inches or so. And give myself enough room to stitch. I'm going to stitch 2 lines across, back and forth. And then back. Okay, then I'm going to trim these. And I'm going to do another line a little closer to the slider, and I'm going to move my needle over so I can get as close as possible, just using my normal foot. I'm going to sew across this. I probably should have done my Teflon foot. And then back. So I've got one side done, and then I'm going to repeat the same thing for the other side. So this is the top of my strap. I'm going to go up and down. I'm going to leave this sticking up for later. I'm going to go down through my swivel hook or my D-ring if I'm doing a backpack. Back up through the slider, down through the slider. And everything move aside so that I can stitch across. Forward and back. And then back over here. And after I clip off all these threads, I am done with the strap. then I can take my backpack. And thread my straps through the D-ring at the top. And here I have the backpack. Oops, let's untwist this. Backpack. Oops. Not my video backpack. And then put this up for a shoulder bag. So there you go. All done.